Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, honeys, we are going to start the Easter series. And I want to show you guys today how to make these really simple, adorable embellishments. Love them to death. They're shaped as little bunny butts. I got this sticker at Target. I got this sticker last year at Target. I had some leftover from the Easter series from last year, and they also are selling these stickers this year because I did see them. So I have here some that I'm going to work with, and I want to show you guys how I created this really simple, adorable little embellishment. Now you can use these embellishments for a lot of things. For what? Okay, for flip books, for Happy Mail. You can actually add this into a nice Easter card that you maybe want to create. You can actually use these as banners. Maybe you're doing like a little Easter party for the kids. Will be perfect. So many things you can do with this embellishment. You can just use your imagination and it will take you to a lot of places where you can definitely use this. So, what are we going to use for this project? Very simple. You know me. I like it simple. I like it easy. So let me put this on the side. And let's talk about what we're going to use for this project, which is literally going to take us like seconds to create. All you need are a few things. Obviously, you're going to need your stickers. I have here 3 that I have left over. You can use whatever stickers you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be this kind of sticker. I mean, I have them because I want to use them, but you can use whatever you really have at home. I am using these fabulous doilies that I got at Michael's. They are canvas fabric doilies. I am obsessed with these doilies. I have picked up, I'm not kidding you, about 4 or 5 of these little bags because they have their craft it, I guess on clearance. And I was able to pick up a few of these. I love this canvas. It's like the best beautiful doily you can ever even like feel. Like the feel of it is awesome. It just looks really, really pretty and delicate. So I am using those as my project. I have here 3 that we're going to create together. Listen, don't go crazy. Don't go out of your way. If you don't have these canvas doilies, use regular doilies that are paper. They're beautiful as well. Don't even worry about it. That's what we're going to do. And then we're going to use some pom-poms, which I have here. We're going to use hot glue. That's it. That's all we're doing. I mean, this is really simple. This is meant to be a very easy project. Obviously, we're going to use some cupcake liners. You guys know me and my cupcake liners. Know how much I love them. Okay, so let's get started, okay? So we're going to create 3 of these little beautiful embellishments. So get your cupcake liners ready. I have here 2 and I have here 3. So what do I do with my cupcake liners? I do this with all my embellishments. I normally fold my cupcake liners in half. I pinch them in the center. And then I open it up and it kind of creates this really super fun embellishment, okay? Kind of like a pinwheel, sort of, I guess. So you're going to do that to all 3 of your cupcake liners. Okay. And I got 1 more to go. So you fold it in half. Okay. You hold it in the center and then you just pinch this together. Okay. Hold it like that in the center and then you open it up. And that's basically what you're going to create. A nice little embellishment for your doily. Okay. Basically, that's all we're going to do. Take your doilies. Let me move you closer. Take your doilies. I have here my 3 doilies. Use your hot glue, okay? And you're going to hot glue your cupcake liners to the back of your doilies, okay? Or actually the front in this case. Just be in the center, just like that. Now you can also use paper. Maybe you have some circles, I don't know, die cuts that you want to use. If you don't have cupcake liners, you can also do that. Okay, perfect. So now that we have our cupcake liner, see, you should get something like that. You see the beautiful doily in the back and then the cupcake liner in the center. Now that we have the cupcake all ready to go, then basically what we're going to do is just glue down our little stickers. I mean, this is such an easy project. You can even do this with your kids. It's awesome. So here I have one of my little bunny butts. I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue because I don't trust the glue on it. And I'm just going to add it to the center of my cupcake liner. That's basically it. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. Center of my cupcake liner. I got one more to go. Now, if you're mass producing this project, let's say you have a party going on for Easter and you need a whole bunch of these, how simple and easy it is, right, to create. It takes you like no time. I mean, literally, it's so simple. So now that we have our little stickers glued down to our cupcake liners, the last step is to add pom-poms. Now, you don't really have to add pom-poms, but you know me, I love my pom-poms, and I think it's just so cute to add like that extra dimension on the little pom-poms that already has the stickers. So here I have a blue one, a purple one, and a pink one. Obviously, I'm going to color coordinate them as they should be, and it gives my little embellishment just another little extra cuteness to it, right? So I'm just gonna hot glue the pom-pom literally right over or right on top of the white pom-pom, and that's just gonna give a little bit of a dimension. You see that? How cute that looks. I mean, this is without the extra pom-pom, and then this one with the pom-pom, so it just gives it a really cute look, I think. So I'm gonna do the blue one next. And you just need to put a little bit of hot glue and then just kind of pinch it together with the white pom-pom. Okay, and then we have the purple. Again, just pinch it together with the white pom-pom. Hold it for a few seconds and there you have it. And that's basically it, guys. Literally, that's all you need to do to create these really adorable little embellishments. I absolutely love them. I'm going to take these to work, and I'm going to be adding these on our, I don't know, somewhere in our office so we can display them for the kids. But I think it's just so pretty. You see how cute they are and how simple it is to create? They're just really, really fun little embellishments that you can just add anywhere. I mean, this would be awesome to use as a banner. That would be a nice thing to do. Even like a wand, or you can even add them as, let's say, a tag. Maybe you have like an Easter basket. You can add these as tags. I mean, you can do so many things with this. I just thought they were so cute and so easy to create. I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, so I'll be taking a picture of this once I hang this up in our office, and I'll be Instagramming it for you guys so you can take a look and see how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these adorable little bunny butts. Give me thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think. I will be doing more videos for you guys soon, and I hope you guys enjoy this Easter series. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know what you think at the bottom of this video. I love you all, and have a fantastic weekend, guys. I will see you actually soon because I have another video for you guys coming up, all right? Have a fantastic weekend. Bye.